You gonna crawl for mommy? Go ahead, come here. Come here.
You're going to get a I saw her with another boy.
You sitting up? Look at you go. Oh, mommy will be quiet.
All here to watch you run.
Get out of here, Brandon. Come here. Here, look, baby. Get the cars. Get the cars. There you go. Good job. Here, look, they're further. Look. Now get them. Now get them. There you go. There you go. Good job, baby.